So what I want to do in this video is convince you that it's worth your while to invest in empowering yourself with the skills to make your own data generators. What you can do when you've got some Unity skills and you can make these data generators is that you can make troubleshooting exercises for your own students. And you can make simulations that explain concepts and that are interactive and even expand into virtual reality. And this opens up the door for some really fantastic plagiarism-free assessments. And it also allows you to set projects where the students themselves can make things. And even if they don't get to that stage, they can at least set the rules that guide the way that you make the simulators, thereby showing their strong knowledge of cause and effect within your discipline area. So the vision really for yourself and for your institution would be that you do basic skills courses in Unity, which were focused on science rather than games. There are plenty of YouTube videos and courses which tell you how to make games, not so many for how to make data generators. And these, of course, can be done online and in person. And then when you start on a project and you get some specific consultation from someone like myself, then that builds momentum. You get confidence, you start to get product coming out, you start to get a network of people. And if that's all supported by a group of experts in graphics and database and 3D modeling and Unity, of course, all working alongside, then the productivity in the future is incredible. So to this end, I've created this little Canvas course, Unity for academics and educational designers and making a lab generator in Unity. The first little set of lessons is really just downloading Unity and then going through some basic exercises to make a new project and start getting balls that might illustrate molecules, for example, bouncing around in an environment. So we could get to a stage where we've got all of these different molecules colliding into each other, and that's all taken. I take you through how to do all of that, how to do the coding in a series of little YouTube videos. Now, the other part of this is making a lab data generator. And here I take you from the very, very simple scenario where you've just got a cylinder representing a tube and a cylinder representing a liquid, and you're able to change the volume in that tube, all the way through to starting to really be able to pipette and modify the composition of the solutions. So if we have a look at this video here, this is where we get to with having a tube, being able to pipette things, and basically be able to do pretty much all the manipulations that we cover in most of the data generator contexts. So do have a look at that. The address is on the in the description part. It's totally free and it's all very experimental at this stage.